The ebooks are basically, there are six ebooks which I have released. So one is about things to do before the IELTS test. A lot many people will not have any kind of vision or an idea about what to do before the test, right? And there'll be a kind of panic situation which will be accumulated across to them in terms of how effectively they can go for the IELTS exam and have to sit, because they want to go with a fresh mind. So I have given certain tips and strategies wherein which they have to do it before the IELTS. As I mentioned to you, this is a psychometric test. It's all about evaluating your mind, how your mind is thinking all about, and how your fluency, your pronunciation, and all those things, logical reasoning, how effectively you can do the reading and all that, and how effectively that you can able to listen to the whatever the other person is saying and how you acknowledge to it. All those things they'll be testing in this test. So that is the reason it is a psychometric test. So there are certain things which you need to do before the IELTS exam. Let's say if your exam is tomorrow, there are certain things which you need to do today or 2 days before. So all those things are mentioned in the things to do before IELTS test ebook. And I have released another book, that is 8 Steps Success Towards Band 8. So this is basically a kind of glance which I have provided with regards to the strategies and tips and tricks which I'll be teaching in more detail in my IELTS examination. So uh, this book will be providing a lot much of information about how they can go ahead with regards to IELTS reading test. All right. So there, I have released another ebook, that is 7 Common Mistakes on IELTS Writing. So IELTS writing will be basically on the essay analysis and the letter reporting. And also there'll be two tasks, task one and task two. Obviously, the levels of difficulty will go higher as the test progresses across. So in writing, they'll be checking about your writing skills, how effectively that you can able to impress the IELTS examiner, right? So all those things I have given it, and what are the common mistakes each and every person will be doing it when they are writing something, which they have to avoid it, and all those pointers have given it there. And some of the common most important topics for the IELTS speaking. So IELTS speaking will be ideally for 14 minutes, and they'll be giving certain cue cards for you to speak, and also they'll be giving 1 minute topic for you to keep talking about it. Let's say if they take something like weather, okay, they'll be asking about what kind of weather that you have in your city, what kind of weather that you like, okay, and why only cold weather, why not hot weather. All those kind of cross examination will be done in the IELTS speaking test, right? So I've given certain topics in the certain common topics, I can say, in the IELTS speaking, so that they can understand, they can prepare it well before the IELTS exam. So this will help for the speaking test. And also I've given some study plan as well. So most of the people will not have any kind of direction in the way how they are going ahead with the IELTS preparation. So I have released another book, IELTS study plan, which will provide them the detailed cut plan in terms of understanding, in terms of the task that they can able to frame it across for the specific days, depending upon the timeline, depending upon the task, depending upon the difficulty level. Let's say some people are very good at reading, some people are very good at writing, some people are very good at speaking, right? So I have released it around 3 components in the component wise. So how they can able to improve the reading plan if they were having a difficulty with regards to IELTS reading, okay, how effectively they can able to frame their own study plan, they can read through it. So these are all the some of them are actually a paid version, some of them are a free version. In fact, for the people, when I released it, this IELTS mastery program, I've given 3 ebooks just for free, right? And other 3 books I have included in my IELTS mastery program for the people who are paid participants. So that's where I'm providing the value in terms of the free ebooks, in terms of these ebooks. Yeah.